Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you guys struggling with weak Wi-Fi signals? Don't be panic. Today we will solve your problem in just few minutes. So in today's video we will discuss how to set up D-Link DAP-1365 Extender. If you're looking for the best Wi-Fi extender that easily extend your home Wi-Fi, then this video is specially made for you. Basically, the D-Link DAP-1365 is a Wi-Fi range extender that helps boost and expand your existing wireless network. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup. Now firstly, unbox the extender box. Inside the D-Link DAP-1365 box, you'll find the Wi-Fi range extender unit, a quick installation guide, and a warranty card. Everything you need to set up and start extending your Wi-Fi signal is included in the box. Now plug your D-Link DAP-1365 extender into a wall socket near your main Wi-Fi router. Wait about 1 to 2 minutes until the power LED turns solid. The LED blinking slowly means it's ready for setup. On your laptop, smartphone, or tablet, go to the Wi-Fi settings. Look for the default Wi-Fi name, SSID, of the extender, something like D-Link EXT, or it might be printed on the label at the back or bottom of your extender. Tap to connect to that Wi-Fi network. There is no password by default, unless printed on the sticker. Tip: you can also use an Ethernet cable to connect your computer directly to the extender for a more stable setup. Open any web browser such as Chrome, Edge, or Safari. In the address bar, type either of these and press enter, http://dlinkcap or http://192.168.0.50. The D-Link setup wizard page will open. If it doesn't open, make sure your device is connected to the extender's Wi-Fi. You'll see a login screen. The default login details are, the username and password is admin. Click login to continue. The setup wizard will ask how you want to configure your extender. Select extender mode or repeater mode. This mode helps the device connect to your main router's Wi-Fi and rebroadcast the signal. Scan for available networks. Click scan or site survey. The extender will search for nearby Wi-Fi networks. You'll see a list of available Wi-Fi names, SIDs. Find your main Wi-Fi network name, the one you normally connect to, and click Select. In the password field, enter your main router's Wi-Fi password. This allows the extender to connect to your main network. Optionally, you can change the extended network name, SSID. If your main Wi-Fi is home Wi-Fi, the extender can broadcast as home Wi-Fi_EXT, easy to identify. Review the information shown on the summary page. Click Save or Apply. The extender will now reboot automatically. This may take 1 to 2 minutes. Move the extender to a midway point between your router and the area where Wi-Fi is weak. Your D-Link DAP-1365 extender is now ready to use. All your devices can connect to the extended network for stronger Wi-Fi coverage. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.